Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, tuloy po natin yung about consumer alert. Halimbawa po yung mga expiration natin na akin diniscuss last time, the last my video. So now, ngayon po ay tutuloy natin. Let's continue our consumer alert. Ngayon po ay bahagi ko sa inyo o share about product are still good, yung pong mabuti, use after, yung pong mas maigi pang use after its expiration date. Yung minsan po kasi na may mga product tayong nakukuha na lampas na sa expiration na pwede pang gamitin. Product is past its expiration. Madali pong ma-expired yung mga products natin. Yung mga pong date na nilalagay. You might be able to use it anyway. May marami pong tao, many people explore the expiration date. Yung pong expiration date na posted on the can of the product, yung pong doon sa likod ng product, nakapost po doon yung mga expiration date. Let's take a look at some of this stuff. Starting soy sauce. It helps prevention of food better than sodium, but not much. Soy sauce can be consumed for about 3 years past its expiration date. The phenomenon process has a high and contamination of sodium. Nagbibigay po pang mahabang life or shelf life as long as it keeps on cold dry place. Kaya po may mga product tayo sasabihin, keep it on cold dry place. And dahil po nga kailangan sa pagmainit kasi yung in-store natin pag sa mainit, mas lalo pang madaling masira yon. So think of the expiration date here really more is dehydrate as soy sauce will gradually lose or lose its flavor over time. Hindi lang po na ng flavor, para pong nasisira yung soy sauce natin. So also surprise eggs, while to them some eggs carry an expiration date also on the cartons. It's generally not required. What they do have is something date on the side of carton saying or telling you which day of the years they were packed, as long as they keep refrigerated. 45 degrees or lower, fresh shell eggs safe. Yung pong tataas pa doon, hindi na po safe. Mas madali na pong masira yung egg natin. To be consumed for 4 to 5 days. Weeks beyond the carton's stated date. Kaya po nilalagay nila doon kasi yung pag-harvest nila ng egg, tapos nalalagay nila yun para po magkaroon ng idea yung mga consumer natin. Yung pong tayo pong gagamit ng egg, kung yung po ay pwede pang gamitin o kaya pwede pang patanggalin o kaya sira na po yun para ma-determine natin. Ngayon, about toothpaste. Consumers want to know if can they use paste its expiration date. Do the company says, yeah, you can go right ahead. It's absolutely safe to use the product past its expiration date. However, it does become less effective and preventing cavities and tooth decay over time. Now, about canned foods. You're going to find the list or the best by date on the expiration if you get the canned goods. Yung pong mga canned goods natin. You must see the expiration date on the top or the bottom of the can. In some cases, some people says, listen, most shelf-stable foods are safe. Indefinitely. As long as the can itself, it's in good condition. Mayroon po kasing yung mga canned goods natin, mas madali pong masira yung may mga sira-sira na UP-UP yung can natin. Wag na po kayong masyadong umano doon pag hindi masyado pang bago yon. Kasi mas nadali pong nasisira yung pang mga damage na canned goods natin. So, no rest, no cleanse, no swelling. I think no rust, no dents, no swelling, of course. With any food you want to kind of check your for signs of decay, like mold, and can, and other foods. You must notice if there is a mold, this is expired already, or careful if you are cook or also those, but totally that is damaged or sira na. Kaya, or on rodents. And then finally, chicken broth, commercial chicken broth, packaged in antiseptic containers. And if properly stored, can have a shelf life of around a year. Doon yung pong mga packaged food. Beyond the printed expiration date. The same shelf life applies to chicken broth, packaged in cans, but once it's open, the clock really starts ticking quick. You got about 5 days. I think 5 days. 5 days. You got about 5 days to use it para tingnan natin kung yun po ay hindi pa sira. By the way, the spice is generally good for about 2 years. Yung pong mga spices natin, nag-expire po yun hanggang from 2 to 3 years. Nag-expire po yun. For dry spices only. But I will tell, yung po sasabihin ko sa inyo, this will test, you can do it alone in your, sa inyong pong bahay, sa inyong sarili, o kahit saan. And the label itself says, made in any country. I'm going to say to go ahead and throw those not usable means there's a mold because it's bad to our health. So be careful on the expiration of food we eat so that our health will not damage also. So thank you so much for hearing my advice to anyone. It's very important. So you can avoid, maiwasan po natin na kumain ng mga expired food. Magkakaroon po tayo ng damage sa ating intestine. So thank you po. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share. Please comment. Thank you so much. To God be the glory. Bye-bye. Thank you.